Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm counting down the top 3 best Philips Norelco multi-groomers for every budget and need. A compact 13-piece starter kit, a solid 15-piece all-rounder, and a Pro-Grade 7000 series with long battery life and precision blades. Each pick below lists the product name, the key specs you'll care about, a current Amazon price snapshot, and quick pros and cons. Read through friendly and ready for voiceover. Let's get into it. 1. Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer MG3740. This compact 13-piece trimmer is built for simple, reliable home grooming. Self-sharpening tempered steel blades, a detailed trimmer, rotary nose trimmer, and a set of reinforced guards for basic length control. Specs to note: 13 total pieces, an IMH rechargeable battery with up to 60 minutes cordless runtime, about a 16-hour full charge in Philips docks, water-resistant /rinsable attachments, and tool-free cleaning. Current Amazon/retailer listings usually place this model in the budget to lower mid-range. Prices vary by seller, commonly seen between roughly $20 to $40. Pros: lightweight, low-maintenance blades, no oil, and a great entry price. Cons: thinner foam/trimmer field and premium models, longer full charge time, and fewer attachments than higher-end multi-groom kits. 2. Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 MG3770. A step up for everyday versatility, this 15-piece kit brings tempered steel self-sharpening blades, impact-resistant guards, and a stronger motor for smoother trimming across face, head, and body. Key specs: 15 pieces, up to 60 minutes cordless runtime per charge, multiple length settings, and fully washable attachments for easy rinsing. Current Amazon snapshots commonly list this model around $29.99. Price can fluctuate with sales. Pros: excellent value, durable guards, longer runtime, and washable design. Cons: an IMH battery technology, older chemistry versus Li-ion, and fewer premium accessories compared with the top-tier series. 3. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 MG7750 Pro Tier. This is the premium, all-in-one option for frequent users. Dual-cut double-blade technology, for faster, sharper cutting, a stainless steel frame with rubberized grip, reinforced guards, and a long-life lithium-ion battery. Standout specs: up to 6 hours runtime on a single charge, dual-cut blades, and a wide set of attachments. 20-plus pieces/24 pieces on some bundles, for head-to-toe styling. Current pricing usually sits in the mid-premium bracket. Manufacturer MSRP around $69.99, and retailers commonly list near $68, $75. Pros: best battery life and precision, sturdy metal construction, and lots of attachments. Cons: heavier and pricier than the 3000/3740 models, and replacement parts/accessory bundles add to long-term cost. There you go. 3 solid Philips Norelco picks: the MG3740 for budget simplicity, the MG3770 for everyday value, and the MG7750 for power users who want premium runtime and precision.